Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best mini 3D printers on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Endyna 3D printers Tina 2S with Wi-Fi cloud printing. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Endyna 3D printer Tina 2S with Wi-Fi cloud printing is a user-friendly, compact 3D printer, perfect for beginners and small projects. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to print directly from the cloud using its app. With a pre-calibrated setup, it's ready to use out of the box, making it easy for anyone to get started quickly. The Tina 2S supports PLA filament and has a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 mm, ideal for smaller models. Its quiet operation and automatic bed leveling further enhance the printing experience, providing reliability and convenience in a compact design. Number 2 is the newest Tina 2S 3D printer Hephy 3D. The newest Tina 2S 3D printer by Hephy is a beginner-friendly, compact 3D printer designed for small projects and easy setup. It comes pre-assembled and features automatic bed leveling, making it simple to start printing right away. The printer offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for remote printing through its dedicated app. It supports PLA filament and has a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 mm, ideal for smaller models. With quiet operation and a sturdy design, the Tina 2S provides a reliable printing experience, making it a great choice for both hobbyists and educational settings. And to finish, the first position goes to the Endyna Mini 3D printers Tina 2. The Endyna Mini 3D printer Tina 2 is a compact, easy-to-use 3D printer designed for beginners and small-scale projects. It comes pre-assembled and pre-calibrated, so you can start printing right out of the box without needing advanced technical skills. The Tina 2 supports Wi-Fi cloud printing, allowing you to control the printer remotely through an app or PC, adding convenience to the user experience. With a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 mm, it's perfect for smaller models, and it supports PLA filament. The automatic bed leveling feature ensures a smooth and consistent print every time. It also operates quietly, making it suitable for use in homes, schools, and other quiet environments. Additionally, the printer's compact design allows it to fit easily on any desk, making it a great choice for hobbyists, students, and those looking to get into 3D printing with a reliable and straightforward machine. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 mini 3D printers that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.